I'm here as one of the stars from Vic Vipers FC, Jason Barrientos. Now tell me, which one feels better, Friday night's winner or this one here? I think this one here.
Of course, mate. Always in the derby, it's always tough, man. Nail biting to the end, you know.
I think this season the hunger from the Vic Vipers is more there than what it was last season. Is that how you feel at Vic Vipers? Because last season you was just going through the motions.
Last season we focused on AFC, obviously, so we put all our emphasis on that. But this season we're ready to go. You know, we've got the team, we've got the players coming in and doing the job. So, you know, what can we say? We've got over the line.
I remember when you first came here, Jason, you're a good player. You've really matured as a player. You're playing that target so well. You're getting the important goals for the team. You've become a great team player for these Vic Vipers.
Thanks a lot, man. Yeah, it's been a while. It's been a while since to get into the rhythm, and finally got it. And hopefully we'll stay up there. You know, give it a good go.
Great victory without your star Adam Cooper and Kieran Page at keeper. You must be overwhelmed because out there they had a star-studded lineup, and you took it up to them. So you're capable of beating this team on anyone on their given day.
They did, man. Yep. So we just got to, you know, keep bringing in the same team, have the heart like always. And hopefully, you know, we'll be up there towards the end of the season.